The Tata Group was the first to speak out against them, calling the rules prohibitive, which would prevent its group companies from selling product online. The reaction was swift, with Consumer Affairs Minister Piyush Goyal slamming the Tatas, asking if its own interests were greater than that of the nation. Now it appears Tata is not the only one unhappy about the rules. The opposition is right in the middle of the corridors of power, within the Finance Ministry, the Corporate Affairs Ministry and the Niti Aayog. In what would have been a major blow to the e-commerce industry, the Consumer Affairs Ministry in June had proposed several measures to limit the very popular flash sales as well as restrict the use of own labels by companies like Amazon and Flipkart. There is also a proposal to restrict so-called related parties from enlisting as sellers. The rules were in reply to complaints by brick-and-mortar sellers. The Finance Ministry has reportedly listed a dozen objections, saying the rules are excessive and will hit job creation and tax revenue generation. Calling flash sales a regular festive feature, the ministry says the proposed rules will hurt ease of doing business in the country. Niti Aayog has claimed the restrictions on e-commerce activities will hurt small businesses and also push India as a country with unpredictable and inconsistent policies. The Corporate Affairs Ministry has termed the clause of e-commerce companies not abusing their dominance as unnecessary and superfluous, saying the consumer laws cannot include a mini competition regime. The task for the Consumer Affairs Minister won't be an easy one. On one side, he has a very vocal lobby of states, industry bodies, retailers seeking to lasso e-commerce companies, and on the other, pressure to give the consumer-friendly sector a free rein. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.